Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Okay, I'm back, guys. Just wanted to show you guys some proof that the mail order business is still working for me. I'm not sure what's in the packages I received today because I do have 2 direct mail programs I'm promoting, 30-Day Success Formula and 6-Figure Stamp Club, okay? So I don't know. So I can't say, all right? But I just wanted to come back and show you guys the program's still working. I still get some calls about 30-day, guys. It still works if you work the business, okay? First thing I want you to do, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, though, okay? Click that subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? But you landed here probably because you're online right now looking for a way to make money from home. And I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and what I do is I show you different home-based business opportunities in which you can become an affiliate marketer, okay, where you don't have to create products. You actually just sell other people's products, and you get a commission when somebody purchases the products. I typically like products where they're member to member. Normally, those are the ones that I really attract to mostly, because that way I'm paid directly from the person that joins me, where there's no middle man, no middle company or anything. You're paid directly from the person that joins the program and they sign up under you. Those are the programs I really like. And most of them are instant pay, or you can be paid via Cash App and things of that nature. But these mail order programs that I'm a part of, guys, you actually get these packages in the mail. Okay? That's how that works. Okay? But 2 great programs, direct mail programs. You can mail postcards, guys. I can show you how to do that. I've been working online. I came online 2011. I found my success 2013 with direct mail. So I really love direct mail, okay? But I actually know how to do internet marketing as well. I know how to make money online. I can show you that, and offline, okay? So I use postcards, letters, sticky notes, all type of things that I can show you how to do the business offline or online, okay? But we're going to talk about the mail order today, because that's what these packages are. But all is well. I'm going to put the links below for the programs that you can check them out yourself. But if you're looking for something simple, guys, mailing postcards is very easy. Matter of fact, I've got right here with me. This is for my press 1. Believe it or not, simplicity, okay, works, guys. Something like this is what I mail. Okay, I test them both. I have some with my picture on them, but then I have the plain ones too, because I test them. Okay, so you check that out. Dial that number and check that out for press 1. But if you can mail postcards or letters, you can make money in this business. You just have to stay focused with it. Trust me when I tell you that. Okay, because this is what I do full time. Okay, so with that being said, let's just see what we have today. All right, so I'm gonna this camera straight here. So these 3 packages, I'm going to show you these. They haven't been opened, sealed up. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Let's see here. This first one, Nassim, I think I'm pronouncing that name right, I believe. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, wow. Okay, this is the 30-day success. I can't show you guys the deal there, but I will show you this. I'm not going to show you the money, but I'm going to show you this person. So see, this works, guys. 30-day success. You see that? Level 2. Okay, Nassim. Let's see where he's out of. Houston, Texas. Never talked to this person. I'll tell you. Okay, so level 2, 30-day. Okay, 30-day is still working, guys. Somebody emailed me just the other day. What happened to 30-day? Nothing. It's still here. Can't show you the money on it. That's the policy that they have now. Okay, so but you just saw that. Okay, never spoke to that person. So something that I've put out there in the marketplace. Okay, here's another one. Is working. Okay, hang on. Stuff is falling out. Okay, this is from my buddy Micah. Micah got your package, my friend. Micah is with me in 30-Day Success Formula, and he's joining 6 Figure Stamp Club. Way to go, Micah. Okay. All right, Micah. Okay, and I got the stamps. Micah already sent me the money since we're already in business together. He already sent me the money. So I'm just going to show his level that I already have his money. He sent it in a different form, the blue level. Okay, so I went ahead and accepted that because we're already in business together. And he sent me the 2 books of stamps. He's going to do the blue level. So I did receive that payment, Micah, the other day. I let him do that, but you guys have to send it directly in the mail, okay? Thanks, Micah. What he's doing is putting the 30-Day Success Formula and 6 Figure Stamp Club together, which is what I'm telling you guys you should do. Because if you're in 30-day, guys, you got to have leads, okay? Now, I am going to give leads away to people that join me in 30-Day Success Formula. If you come in at level 2, the 250 level, I'll give you 200 leads, okay? If you come in over the 6 figure, I'll give you leads if you come in at the blue level or higher. All right. This is from Patricia. All righty. Let's see what's in this. Okay. So direct mail works, guys. Oh. It's a magazine. Travel Leisure. You see that? Nice. All right. Inside. Oh, nice. St. Lucia. So this person loves to travel. Patricia. Patricia, I have your package, Patricia. Okay. It's got my name on it. All right. Let's see what we're working with. All right. Guys, you wouldn't believe it. It's 30-day again. I can't show you the money, but she joined at level 2, and Patricia's out of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. I'm going to cover it up. She's out of Pennsylvania. I'm just going to show you the level. Level 2. So that's $100. Okay? 30-Day Success Formula, guys. Because that just shows you whoever that was sending me a message. Hey, what happened to 30-day? Nothing. Here's 2 30-day payments that just came. Level 2s, guys. Okay? All right? So you're going to need leads to do the 30-Day Success Formula. It doesn't come with leads. So if you join me in the 6 Figure Stamp Club, you'll get leads by joining. And if you join at level 2, the blue level higher, I'm going to give you additional leads, okay? So those 2 go hand in hand, guys, okay? So as you can see, 6 Figure Stamp Club and 30-day still getting payments from, okay? So these definitely work, okay? So with that being said, guys, I'm going to put the link below, okay, for you to get started with me. Pick one, you know. Join one, and you can always add another one later, okay? Or join them to do them together at any rate, because that's what I'm doing. You're going to need leads anyway, okay? So put the links below. Check them out. Give me a call if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you guys, okay? Keep pushing, guys. Stay focused. Stay encouraged. It's all up to you, okay? Because you're the one that's going to be the driving force to make this work. What I do is just guide you and show you, okay, and direct you, okay? That way you don't have to make some of the mistakes I made, and it's going to be an easier journey for you, okay? Because I had to figure all this stuff out on my own, okay? So I look forward to working with you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, guys. I will see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.